Okay, suppose we have base 3. We're starting at 110, and we're going to write the next 12 numbers. I'm just making up one more example. Here, let's do this. So try to give enough space here. So we'll do I'll just start here. So, okay, so 110. So what, and remember in base 3, you know the rule, we're never going to see a 3, right? In base 3, so you get the idea, right? In base 3, you're never going to see a 3 or higher. You're never going to see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Everything is going to be 0s, 1s, and 2s. You're never going to see a 3 or higher in base 3. In base 7, you're never going to see a 7 or higher. In base 9, you're never going to see a 9 or higher. Now you might say, well, that's not consistent with our base system. In base 10, you're never going to see a 10 or higher, not made with 1 digit. You see, how do you make a 10? You've got to use 2 digits. The highest thing you can make with 1 digit is 9. You can't make a 10 in just one place. You need to go into the next place. So that's what we mean. We mean in base 3, you're not going to make a 3 in just one place. You need to carry into the next place. Just like in base 10, you don't make a 10 with one place. The highest thing you can make is 9 in one place. To make 10, you got to carry into the next place. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, so let's do it. Here we go. So after 110 comes 111, right? After 110 comes 111, then 112, then 113. Hold up there though, right? We can't have a 3 in base 3. We're never going to see a 3. As it says over here, we're never going to see a 3 or higher. So what do you mean? What do you do? Well, we have to cross that out, don't we? Cross that out, write a 0, and carry to the next spot. So it becomes 120. 120. It looks like 120, but it's 120 in base 3. Tracking with me? Whenever you write a 3, instead cross it out, write a 0, and carry 1 to the left. Let's keep going. Let's do the next 3. So after 120, 120 comes 121, 122, 123. Hold up. You can't write a 3 in base 3. So instead, write a 0, carry. 130. But hold up again. We can't do that, right? We can't have a 3 anywhere, in any place. So what do? Same thing. Write a 0, carry. So what's that going to become? 200. Looks like 200, right? That'll become 2, because when I carry to the next column, the 1 becomes a 2 in the the furthest column to the left. Right here, this 1 becomes a 2, doesn't it? Because I carried 1 to it. Everybody see that? So that's the major step. The rest will be pretty normal. I'll finish it, but this is the major step right here, because we had to carry twice. That's the hardest part, when you carry twice. Everybody seeing that? You carry twice like that. All right, and then it's just kind of back to normal. So then we just go, okay, the next 3 numbers. We just go boom, boom, boom. So after 200, right, was the last one. So 201, 202, 203. We're not going to have a 3. So what are we going to do? We're going to cross it out, put a 0, and carry. So it'll be 210. 1. And then one more row, because it's supposed to be the next 12 numbers. So one more row. So after 210 comes 211, 212, 213, but again, we can't have the 3. Instead, write a 0 and carry, so it's 220, right? We carried into that next spot, so it became 220. And there we go. And so we got it. So that's how we do that. That would be the next 12 numbers.